Hi everyone, today I am going to make a creamy fruit salad. You must try it out and it is one of the best recipe. You just need a best ingredients. So let's start chopping grapes. Firstly, cut into long thin slices. Now add in a separate bowl and take 2 apples. Remove the peel and chop it into small pieces. Next, I have taken 2 mangoes. Cut into thin slices and chop small pieces. This one is the important ingredient to make this salad. It will make the taste flavorful. We need 3 bananas. Don't cut into small ones. Let it be in this format. Take 1 pomegranate and some almonds. Chop it into thin slices. Take cashew nuts and pistachios. All should be chopped, and I have taken condensed milk, sweet condensed milk. And the original cream. You can also add cheese cream. These all are the ingredients. Now I will be adding condensed milk, the half can of it. Then I will add pomegranates, seeds. I will add this cream. Add dry fruits for the crunchy taste. Add pistachios, cream and some more condensed milk. See how beautiful it is and colorful. Now sweet cream coating is ready. Just mix it completely. This recipe is best for summer. You can refrigerate it. And you must surely try it. Share me your feedbacks about this recipe. Then how did you like it? And subscribe my channel for more amazing recipe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.